Alright guys, so we broke off one of our fittings. It's been on there for a long time. Come on down here. So we broke this off trying to get this off, and we were able to get this one off. And a lot of questions we get when you're putting a new fitting on. I personally like to leave the old threads on the pipe, okay, and then just put the new fitting right on to the old thread. Okay, that's my recommendation. Okay, so we got the new thread and the old fitting. Okay, this one's broke. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a PEX fitting right here. Okay, a 1/2 inch copper PEX fitting. We're gonna cut this off. We're gonna go ahead and cut this off, and we're gonna push this one right on. Get close up. I just hate it. It didn't get me on any tendons or anything, but I just hate cuts on my fingers, man, with a passion. It's just frustrating. And every time you do a job, it has a lot of trades involved. Okay guys, so we got our fitting. We got our pipe all nice and clean. Got my finger really good with the grinder. But we're just going to push this fitting in right here. Okay, make sure it's off. So all the way to the right, make sure this one's off. And just turn your water back on when you make sure these are off against the pipe. Then you can turn your water back on. Thanks for watching.